Inma.
Hello.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to speak about my fridge.
Excellent. Go ahead.
What's my fridge? On the top shelf, I keep the dairy products. There are some low-fat yogurts.
There are some what? Sorry?
There are some low-fat yogurts.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
There is some cheese and there is some butter too. There are some eggs. There are 5 eggs.
Excellent.
On the middle shelf, there is some Spanish ham. It's not boiled ham, it's cured ham. And there is a container with some food leftovers. I think it's yesterday's potato salad.
Okay.
There is another container with chorizo and salchichon.
What's that?
That's like salami.
Okay.
It's very popular in Spain.
Okay.
On the bottom shelf, there is some chicken, 2 breasts, and there are 2 steaks too.
Okay.
On the very bottom shelf, there are some drinks. There is beer. Well, there are 2 cans of beer, and there is some Coke. Well, there are 4 cans of Coke.
Okay. There
is some orange juice, and there are 2 cans of lemon soda. The bottom bins are for vegetables. Native speakers say veggies.
Excellent.
There are some green vegetables. Some fresh spinach for salad.
Sorry, some fresh?
Spinach.
Spinach, okay.
Spinach for salad. There is some parsley. And there are 2 lettuces.
Excellent.
In the middle shelf, there are some jars of jam. There is some strawberry jam. There is some blackberry jam. And some apricot jam.
Yummy.
On the top shelf, there is some mayonnaise. Native speakers say mayo.
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 Okay.
There are 3 jars of mustard. There is some ketchup too. And there is a cheese dip. We have it with nachos, with crackers, or celery, or carrots.
Celery?
With celery.
Celery.
Celery or carrot sticks. This is healthier.
Wow.
In the freezer, there is some fish and meat. And behind that, there are some frozen veggies too. There is also some chocolate ice cream.
Wow.
And there are 4 ice cube trays, one on top of the other. That's my fridge. Well, but I have more food in the kitchen.
You
on
do?
Okay. On the kitchen table,
oh.
There is a bowl with ripe fruit. There are a few bananas, some oranges, some apples, and there is a pear. And we also have a jar of nuts. In the kitchen cabinet, we keep the flour, the sugar, the salt, the spices, and some kinds of soup. There are some pulses, a kilo of lentils, and half a kilo of chickpeas, and there is some rice.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas, and there is some rice.
Too.
There is also some coffee, some chamomile tea, and cocoa, and noodles to make soup, and pasta, of course. Last, we have a cloth bag for the bread. And that's all. Thank you for listening.
Wow.